Greetings, fellow Dragonstaffers, and welcome to a Dragonstaff tutorial for a little trick that I like to call Underarm Chirolls. I want to give a quick shout out to Brettdstar for this trick. If you're not familiar with Brettdstar, I highly recommend looking him up on YouTube. He has a lot of really great flow videos, and that's where I learned this trick, was from watching one of his videos. And I'm not sure if it has another name. If it does, feel free to drop it in the comments down below. I like to call it an underarm Chiroll with a forwards roll, because we're in a Chiroll, we bring the staff under the arms and then back into our Chiroll, and the staff is rolling forwards or away from us. And there will be one prerequisite for this one, and that is your split time Chiroll. I will put a link to that tutorial down in the description below. So to come into this trick, we're going to start with our split time Chiroll. And notice in your split time Chiroll how the staff alternates back and forth, so that at one moment it's rolling over the hand near the face, while it's rolling down the opposite hand away from you, and then you switch and switch, alternating which hand you bring up towards the face. So depending on which hand you have up towards your face, that will decide which side of your underarm Chiroll you'll start with, because there is a right and a left before you come back into your split time Chiroll. So I like to start with my right side. So when I bring this right side of the staff up near my face and the staff rolls down the right palm, right there I can bring the hand up and over the staff and press that side of the staff into the right side of the body. And quickly, as soon as I start to do that, bring the left hand up and over the other side of the staff to roll the left side of the staff down the left side of the body. So we're in our split time Chiroll. My right hand comes up near my face, and then I bring that right hand over the staff to roll the right side of the staff down the right side of the body, and quickly following, left hand over the left side of the staff to roll the left side of the staff down the left side of the body. In real time. So right, left, right, left. And as soon as you get in one on each side, I like to bring the arms back underneath the staff to come back into a split time Chiroll. And just as we started with the right hand, and then swipe down the right side of the body and then the left, you're also going to bring your right arm underneath the staff and then the left. Split time Chiroll, underarm Chiroll, right, left to come out, right arm under, left arm under. And I think it is a little nicer to do with the legs in a little bit of a lunge position. Of course, you can do it with the feet parallel like so. But personally, I like to do it a little more something like this. And I do also want to mention that you don't have to just roll the staff under the arms once on each side. You could do that continuously. Although I think the trick looks a little cooler if you just do it once on each side and come back into your split time Chiroll, kind of like, whoa, what was that type of thing. But of course, that's all subjective. That's just what I like to do. So Keep in mind that you can also do your underarm Chiroll continuously. Another thing I want to point out is if you want to do all that the opposite way, or the opposite side first, I should say, then you would simply do the left side before the right side. So when the left hand comes up near the face, you would wrap the left hand up and over the staff, roll that side of the staff down the left side of the body, right hand over the staff, staff rolls down the right side of the body, left hand under the staff, right hand under the staff. Definitely not my dominant side, if you can't tell. And that's going to do it for our underarm Chiroll with the staff rolling forwards or away from us. Thank you all so much for watching. If you want me to go over any part of that, feel free to drop a comment down below. Thank you again, and a huge thank you to all of you watching and supporting on Patreon. Thank you for making videos like this possible, and thank you for making this channel possible. I will see you all in the next video.